In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss that has plagued millions of people around the world. Can hair loss be reversed? We'll dive deep into this subject and explore some incredible insights. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more exciting content like this. Hair loss is a common concern that affects both men and women, and it can have a significant impact on our self-esteem and confidence. In today's video, we'll explore the causes of hair loss, debunk some myths, and reveal fascinating methods that can potentially reverse this process. So let's jump right in. To understand if hair loss can be reversed, we first need to grasp the underlying causes. Hair loss can be attributed to various factors such as genetics, hormonal changes, stress, and nutritional deficiencies. By addressing these root causes, we can potentially pave the way for hair regrowth. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's debunk a common myth surrounding hair loss. Once hair is lost, it's gone forever. But is this really the case? Let's find out. Contrary to popular belief, there are indeed methods that show promise in stimulating hair regrowth. From topical treatments and medications to advanced procedures, the field of hair restoration has evolved significantly. Let's explore some of the most effective approaches. One popular method is the use of topical treatments such as minoxidil. These solutions are applied directly to the scalp, and studies have shown that they can promote hair growth by prolonging the hair follicle's growth phase. It's essential to use these treatments consistently to see significant results. Another option to consider is medication, specifically finasteride. This oral medication helps block the hormone responsible for hair loss in men and can potentially stimulate hair regrowth. It's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before starting any medication. For those seeking more advanced solutions, procedures like hair transplantation and low-level laser therapy have shown promising results. Hair transplantation involves surgically moving hair follicles from one part of the body to the balding areas, while low-level laser therapy uses red light to stimulate hair growth. These procedures can provide long-term solutions for certain individuals. While these methods hold promise, it's important to note that not everyone may experience the same results. Factors like the extent of hair loss, individual response to treatments, and underlying health conditions play a role. However, exploring these options with the guidance of professionals can increase the chances of success. Apart from medical interventions, there are natural approaches that can support hair growth. Let's discuss some lifestyle changes and practices that may make a difference. A balanced diet rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins like biotin and vitamin D, minerals such as zinc and iron, and protein, is vital for healthy hair. We'll delve into specific food recommendations that can nourish your hair from within. Stress can contribute to hair loss, so adopting effective stress management techniques is crucial. We'll explore relaxation exercises, meditation, and other stress-reducing practices to promote overall well-being and healthier hair. In conclusion, while there is no guaranteed method to reverse hair loss for everyone, there are indeed options that hold promise. From topical treatments and medications to advanced procedures and natural lifestyle changes, it's essential to explore what works best for you. Remember, the key is consistency and seeking professional guidance when needed. Thank you all for joining us today on this fascinating journey into the world of hair loss and potential regrowth. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our upcoming content. Also, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, see you in the next video.